How's it? It's Nick from HOLTS again. We looked at doing the color restore on the vehicle. So we've cleared off the old dead paintwork, and what we're going to do now is we're going to use the wax that started it all. This is the original Simoniz wax. It's the old paste type wax that some of our fathers or grandfathers might remember, and I think there's nothing wrong with bringing the old school back. So this was the first one that they produced in 1910. Now with this wax, we're going to apply it to the nice smooth clear finish that we've now achieved on the vehicle with the color restorer. And one important fact to remember is that you don't need to wait for this to buff or to haze before you buff it. You apply it and then you buff it straight off. So we're going to have to get down to some serious elbow and crease work now. So once again, we're just going to take the polish. As you can see, it's your paste stuff. It's carnauba formula. We're just going to have to work it up a little bit. Apply it to the vehicle. And once again, no need to wait for this to haze before we buff it off. You just go straight ahead, get stuck in, and if you have to, use two hands. And this paintwork now is beautiful, it's clear, it's neat, it's tidy, and it's going to look great for when you hit the strip to go cruising.
Get it on now.